So Mrs. Green's are doing a collaboration and a promotion with SMOL Products.
Okay.
So exciting stuff today. The starter kit's arrived. So we'll just go through what you get with your starter pack. This actually costs £25, and it's a starter kit of all their products. Yeah. So what comes with the product are a set of biological laundry tablets, a set of non-biological laundry tablets, dishwasher tablets, and the mixed sprays for the household cleaning products. All these boxes are we've got child locks on them, so you need to squeeze at the side and push. They all come pre-sealed, and the products fall out from the...
So that good, even I can't open them.
All of these products come through the post, so there's no need to carry home large laundry detergents. There's no need to carry home all your dishwasher tablets. They come on a regular basis as a subscription. You can change as frequently or as slowly as you receive them. You can halt the process. You're in control of your SMOL account. So the 3 bottles that you get, which are bottles for life, you can send them back once you've. How many bottles in a household do we use?
Yeah, loads.
That
so if it becomes
cracked or anything
you send
like
it
that,
back, they replace it.
Yes. All colour coded with the bottles that they for.
I like it.
This one is for the multi-purpose cleaner. All the packaging is recycled and recyclable. So you fill up to the coloured line there, drop the tablet in there, let that dissolve. Once that's dissolved, give it a good old shake. This one is
that smells really nice, that.
Tells you on the bottle. That's multi-purpose. That one's glass and that one's bathroom. So you've got everything covered in the home.
Oh, they've each got a smell like a nice, don't they?
And they're all with essential oils. So as they're dissolving, you can go on to this product. This is the fabric conditioner. So it's in a small bottle. The reason being it's so concentrated. It's got a lovely, perfect laundry day
reminds
smell.
me of being a kid. That I like that.
The pump goes on the top of that, and it's so concentrated. You literally need just a couple of pumps in your.
So there's no cap or anything. You just pump,
pump it into your compartment in your washing machine, and that's your fabric softener. The reason they do it like this is to say, even sending it out in the post, to save the weight of the fluid.
Yeah. So
you get, when you buy it in the supermarket, you're getting all that extra water that you've got to transport everywhere. For kind of, it's wasted. If you go onto our website, there's a SMOL promotion page, and you just click on the link, and their page comes up. You get loads of free samples. You can order the starter kit. I think this was £25. Create an account and receive your goods as and when you want.
So they don't send them automatically?
They can do.
Right, okay. So
they
you can say, like, every 4 weeks I want...
Yes. Yeah. If you know you use a dishwasher tablet every day, then every so many days you'll receive a pack of dishwasher tablets. It's all been checked, it is all sustainable, it is all eco, it is better for the environment, they use fewer chemicals, and it works just as well as a lot of the leading cleaning products.
It's cruelty free as well.
Absolutely cruelty free. It's past the bunny hop test, I believe.
Yeah.
And in the pack itself, you get, so it's just in the starter kit alone, you get enough for 2 tablets of each. So that's so you think that's for £25. You're getting your bottles. You're getting 2 lots of laundry tablets
and dishwasher tablets,
and your dishwasher tablets, and your fabric softener, and you get twice as much. Of the cleaning products to use. So I think it's quite a good.
I like it.
Good promotion.
Yeah, very good.